Hello friends, welcome to Prismatics online class. In our today's class, we are going to look at what Crammer'S rule of solving 3 by 3 matrices. In our previous class, we looked at what Crammer'S rule in solving what 2 by 2 matrices. But today, we are going to look at what Crammer'S rule of solving matrices, that is 3 by 3 matrices. What are we going to do? First of all, you need to write what we call the augmented matrices. Solution. First step is write what we call augmented matrices, and that is 5. What do we have? Coefficient of y -1, coefficient of z 1, coefficient of s 3, coefficient of y 2, coefficient of z -5, coefficient of x 1, coefficient of y 3, coefficient of this -2. Now we put it in matrices form. Into this, what are we looking for? We are looking for what? X, y, z. And what is equal to? Is equal to what? 4, 2, what? 5. That is how to what? Put it in what? In an augmented matrix. So the process of writing down the coefficient of giving questions in forms of matrices is called augmented what? Matrix. Now we are through now. Second step, what do we do? Second step now is what? Assign alphabet to this given matrix. You can say A equal to this. After assigning the alphabet, you need to look for what? A determinant. Now to get what? A determinant. A determinant is equals to. Remember that yesterday, remember that our previous class we assigned. Now we said that before you look for determinant, you need to assign a binary operation, that is plus, minus, plus. So what does it mean? So we are going to create this thing. We are going to create this. We are going to have this as our A determinant is equal to create 2 by 2. What do we have here? 5 times 2 by 2. Now what do we have here? Look at this. Minus, minus. We are now going to have minus, minus, which will turn this into what? Plus, plus 1. Create 2 by 2. And what do we have again? This is plus, plus what also? 1. Create 2 by 2. Now, what do we do? Get this material. Now you are going to block the what? The first row, first column. Block it and block the first row, first column. Block the first row against first column. What do we have? 2 minus 5, 3 minus 2. So the first place will be now 2 minus 5, 3 minus 2. Now maintain the constant. That's first column. That first row, you maintain it. Don't bring it. Remain constant. What do we have here? 3 minus 5, 1 minus 2. 3 minus 5, 1 minus 2. That is 3, 1 minus 5 minus 2. Okay, change the column. What do we have here? We are left with what? 3, 2, 1, 3. We have 3, 2, 1, 1, 3. We have it as what? 3, 2, 1, 3. We are done to get our what? A determinant. So our A determinant here is equal to. Now what do we have? Our A determinant here is equal to what? 5 into bracket. 2 times minus 2 will give us minus 4. Minus 3 times minus 5 will give us minus 15. Minus 15 minus will turn to plus, which is 15. Close it. Plus 1 into bracket. 3 times 2 will give minus 2 will give us minus 6. Minus 1 times minus 5 will give us minus 5. Minus 5 minus minus 5 will turn to plus. Close it. plus 1 into 3 times 3, 9, minus 1 times 2, 2. Close it. Finally, what do we have? A determinant is equal to what? 5 into bracket 15 minus 4 plus 15 will give us 11. Are you with me? Yes. Into plus 1 into what? Minus 5 plus this will give us minus 1. Close it. Plus what? 9 into what? 9 minus this will give us what? 9 minus this will give us 7. 7. Close it. Our A determinant is equal to what? 5 times 11 will give us what? 55. Minus 1 minus 1 plus what? 7. So what do we have? Our A determinant is equal to 5 minus 55 minus this will give us what? 5, 4 plus 7. Now our A determinant is equal to this to this will give us 61. So our A determinant is equal to 61. Write it somewhere. Our A determinant is equal to 61. Okay, that is how to find the determinant. Is the determinant of it. So are you done? Okay. So now let's go. Okay, we want to get x. Now for the fact that we want to get x, we need to substitute this side against the x column. This is x, y, z. So we pick this number and delete this one and replace it here. For x, we call it what? For ax. So what do we have now? Ax is equal to, delete the first column, just block it. Take this number as the first column, which is 4, 2, 5. And what do we have here? Minus 1, 2, 3, 1, minus 5, and minus 2. So that is 10. So that is what we have. So we are going to look for what? Ax determinant. Ax determinant. And our Ax determinant is equal to, always remember that the first one is plus, second one minus, third one plus. So what do we do? As normal, we have 4 into, reduce it into bracket 2 by 2. Minus minus is what? Plus 1 into 2 plus 1 into what? 2 by 2 matrices. And what do? We want to get one, always block the first one, and you will be changing it, this one again this. What do we have? We have 2 minus 5, 3 minus 2, 2 minus, okay, 2 minus 2. And you change your the rule must be constant while you change the column. What do we have? 2 minus 5, 2 minus 5, what? 5 minus 2. Change the column. What do we have? The last one, we have what? 2, 2, what? 5, 3. Close it. We are done. What do we do here? We find the what? Ax determinant, which is equal to 4 into 2 times this will give us minus 4. Minus 3 times minus 5 will give us minus 15, which is 15. Close it. Minus minus will turn to plus. Plus 1 into 2 times this minus 4. 5 times this will give us minus what? 25. Close it. Plus 1 into what? 2 times this, which is what? 6. Minus 3 times 2, 5 times 2, 10. Close it. Finally, what do we have? Ax determinant is equal to what? 4 into this to this will give us 11 plus 1 into 24 to this will give us 21 minus 4 plus 25 will give us 21 plus 1 into 6 minus this will give us minus 4. Close it. Our AX determinant is equal to what? 4 times this will give us 44 plus 21 minus what? 4. Now, if we add this, we are going to get 65. That is 4 plus 21 equals to 65 minus what? This is 65 minus 4. So our AX determinant is equal to what? 61. And that is it. Hence, how to get S? Hence, so to get X, what do we have? To get S, our S formula is equal to S is equal to what? AX determinant divided by what? A determinant. But from here we have that our AX is equal to AX determinant is what? 61, which is 61 over what? Our A determinant somewhere is what? 61, which is 61. Finally, our S is equal to, this will cancel it. Our S is equal to 1. So that is 10. So our X somewhere, let's just write it. X equal to 1. Okay, we are done with X. Now let's go with what Y. Are you done here? Okay. Are you through? Okay. Take your time to do it. It's not easy, but take your time to solve it. Now we are looking for what? AX, AY now. Our AY. Now take this thing, this 425, put it, block this place and replace it with it. So block it right here, 4, 2, what? 5. Otherwise, you will write others. So that is how to do it. So what do we have here? Our AY equals to 5, 3, 1. Now what do we have here in this second? 4. You write this one 4, 2, 5. And what is the remainder here? 1 minus 5 minus 2. Close it. And that is our A. So we have to assign binary, which is plus, minus, plus. Now what do we have? AY determinant is equal to, this is 5 into, reduce is 2, minus 4 into what? 2 plus 1 into what? 2. Now normal thing as usual, what do we do? As usual, you cover the first row against the second or first column. What do we have here? 2 minus 5, 5 minus 2. Change the column. Change the column. What do we have? 3, 5. 3 minus 5. 1 minus 1 minus 2. What do we have? Change this place. What do we have here? We have 3, 2, 1, 5. Okay. No problem. What do we have now? We have that AY determinant is equal to 5 into minus 4 minus 5 times minus, which equals times minus 4 minus 25 to the 25. Close it. Minus 4 into what? Minus 6 minus 5 will give us what? Plus 5. Close it. Plus now 1 into what? 15 minus 2. Close it. Now what do we have here? AY determinant is equal to 5 into what? 21 plus minus 4 into what? Minus 1 plus what? 1 into what? 15 minus 2 is what? 13. Close it. What do we have here? 5 times 21 will give us 104. So our AY determinant is equal to 105 plus minus times minus will give us plus 4 plus what? 13. So 105 plus 4 plus 13 equal to, now what do we have? AY determinant is equal to what? 1, 2, 2. Now to get y, y formula is equal to AY determinant over what? A determinant. Always remember that our A determinant is 61. So this is equal to AY determinant 122 over 61. 122 divided by 61 equals to 2. So our y is equal to what? 2, and that is it. So somewhere x comma y equals to 2. Okay, we are done with y. So now let's go for x. Let's go for x. Okay. Okay. For AZ, we are done with x. For AZ, our AZ Z is equal to, now come to this place, block this place, write orders. We have 5, 3, 1, minus 1, 2, and 3. Now replace this with a what? 4, 2, and what? 5. That is, we replace this one along z. This is what? X, y, z. We change this. So this is like this. Okay. Now we are going to look for what? AZ determinant, which is equal to, remember, plus minus plus, which is equal to 5 into, reduce 2, minus minus will turn to what? Plus, into what? Plus 4 into 2. Okay, you continue. Constant, this one must be constant against column. First column, what do we have? 2, 2, 3, 5. Change it. What do we have? 3, 2, 1, 5. Change it. What do we have? 3, 2, 1, 3. Close it. So now what do? We find AZ determinant. AZ determinant is equal to 5 into 2 times 5. 2 times what? 5. This is 5. 2 times 5. 2 times 5 will give us 10. Minus 2 times 3, which is what? 6. Close it. Plus 1 into 3 times 5, 15. Minus 1 times 2, 2. Close it. Plus 4 into 3 times 3, 9. Minus what? 1 times, which is what? 2. Close it. So our AZ equals to 5 into 10 minus this will give us 4. Close it. Plus, remember that this is 1, no? Plus 1 into this. Plus 1 into 15 minus 2 will give us 13. Close it. Plus 4 into 9 minus 2 will give us 7. Close it. Finally, our AZ determinant is equal to 5 times this 20. 20 plus 13 plus what? 27. Okay. 20 plus 13 will give us 33. 20 plus 13 plus 20 plus 27 equals to 60. Okay, we have this as 5, 1, 5, 3, 1, minus 2, minus 1, 2, 3. What do we have here? 4, 2, 5. Okay, Now hold this one, close this, we have 2 2. This time this, which is 10, 10 minus 6, okay. Have this one as hold this place, we have 3 2, 3 2, 1 5, okay, which is what? This time is 15 minus 2, okay, plus what do we have here? 4. 4 into what? 3 times 3, 9 minus this, okay. AC equals to 10 minus 6 will give us 4. 5 minus 2 will give us 13. And 4 minus this. So 4, 7, 2, that 9 minus 2 will give us 7. 7 times 4 is 28, not 27. Is 28, not 27. So what we have here is 28, not 27, which our AZ determinant is equal to 28 plus what? 20 plus 13. We have it as what? 61. So what do we get? AZ is what? 61. So for to get Z equals to what? AZ determinant over what? A determinant. That is, this is 61 over 61, which this will cancel. Z is equal to what? 1. So yes, we have that Z is equal to 1. So that is how to do it. Okay, that is the end of the solution. You are going to look for, that is the end of the solution. After solving this, we have succeeded in getting the value of x and the value of y, and value of x equals to 1, value of y equals to 2, and value of z equals to what? 1. So our xyz is what? Is equal to what? X is 1, y is equal to what? 2, and z is equal to 3. If you want to confirm it. If you want to check, you can call it check. If you want to check. So from this equation 5, where x is what? 1, put 1, close it, minus what? Y is what? 2, close it, plus z is what? 1. Is it equal to 4? So what do we have? 5 times 1 minus 2 plus what? 1. Is it equal to 4? Go to this place. We have 5 minus 2, which is 3, plus 1 is equal to 4. This is 4 is equal to what? 4. That means x and y, s, y, z is what? Is the solution, the perfect solution of this question on the board. Thanks and God bless you. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, MATRICES Online Class. Bye.